you coming out to see us today. We would like to introduce ourselves to you as gardeners and plant lovers. We wanted to try and create a new kind of channel out there that's a bit of a different type of niche.
We felt like there was something missing from today's garden talk shows.
The inner garden geek.
A lot of great education out there, but we felt like the plant geeks out there needed to have a little bit more entertainment in their life. So we wanted to present our show in a plant geek way, but very friendly, upbeat, with an 80s retro kind of vibe.
Oh yeah, and it's gonna be 80s retro all the way. You can't stop us.
Sorry, our 80s are showing. Woo. We'll have a lot of interesting episodes, more than just the two of us sitting at this really awesome table talking about things, but we'll also be having special interviews from people in the horticulture industry that you might not think about. Yeah. So we're hoping that we can entertain you with some of our crazy antics and some of our upcoming crazy shows.
And a bit of our crazy knowledge on some things that are kind of fun in the plant world. And in the meantime, so while you're still here and you're watching us, definitely subscribe to our channel, follow us, like us. We'll be popping up all types of information for you to be clicking on, posting in the comments down below also, so just make sure that you follow us and subscribe.